Is there any policeman at scene? Yes. Is the scene safe for me to proceed? Is there any other? Is the fight still ongoing? Okay, guys. Take one each. There seems to be 2 casualty. I'm going to make Alpha. Charlie, go to the kid. Jason, take this one. This is Angel Rescue 331 to Op Center message over. Angel Rescue 331, we need another additional ambulance for multiple casualty incident at the said location, over. And also SPF, over. Okay. Charlie, what do you have? Charlie? Jason? Is there any witness? Where's the neighbor? Charlie in the SPF. Jason, what you got there? What do you have there, Jason? Charlie, your SPF is over there. ECG? Jason, his airway, how's his airway? Any injuries on him? Here you go. The SPA2 is with you. Here you go. Your patient, what's wrong with your patient? What do you have? So far you're still assessing. What do you need? Okay. Roger. Black bag. He was drinking.
What you are drinking? What is this?
Jason, there you go. You have now. How old is your patient? 9 years old. What happened to him? Okay. Jason, the ECG on your patient, okay, it is 51 heart rate, Jason. His heart rate is at 50. Do a 12 rate ECG on him, please. Weak killer. Okay, there you go. Jason, weak killer. Weak killer. What's that again? Okay. Okay. Jason, tell me again, is it with as in ganja or is it weed killer as in organophosphate? Okay. What do you need, Charlie? Okay. IV, okay. Okay. There you go. It's over here. Get the ID, get the Narcan in. Okay. Kelly, how are you doing? Okay.
You got it?
Okay.
But they didn't do.
Just asking what about all these bottles?
Oh, CA.
ya.
Yeah, that one say it's OD.
These are
Because it knows whether it's weed or ganja.
red colored stuff. Jason, weed ah.
But you think who is the right state of
Jason, something bottles that look like bandung. Yes. Sharp box there. To your left. Get the pick up. How is his SpO2 for my patient? Okay. Give me. Ellie, give me an order level, sorry. Okay. Alright. Once you guys are done with the trip, turn around, go to the trauma bag, and need airway exam. Thanks. Okay.
Are you okay? You okay?
Oh, it's drowsy.
Okay, Dr. Mika? Mika? Hello?
Check for cough. Check for breathing. Cough present. Yes, please. Yes. Drop box behind you. You need ECG? Give it. How's your patient, Sally?
My patients, low side, SO2 low side, the natural lagging. You need a DBM? I think I take a picture.
Get me. You want to bag the patient? Okay. Put the SpO2 on your patient and then check his SpO2, Jason. Then we can change.
I have to ask about this child also. Does he have any allergies?
SpO2. I need the SpO2 so that we can give the BBM to Charlie. Okay. This his SpO2 is dropping. 79. How is is he still drowsy? Sir, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Does he answer to my verbal stimuli? Does he answer to my verbal stimuli? Is there any pulse? Tube him. Tube him. Take over. I go and help him. Huh? Yes, please. This is Angel Rescue 331, sir. Angel Rescue 331, we have two casualty, one adult, one 9-year-old, both of them P1 old. Yes. Arrest him and then yes, and then I will keep him. Just prep for me the equipment and prep for me. BBM. I'm begging him. I'm begging him. Yes. Once you put in the drugs, just give me the intubation kit, and then I will give. Carry on. Give it to me. Give it. Yes. Okay, can carry on. There you go. Assist Charlie. You have BBM on your left. Jason, I need the BVM. My patient is getting sinus. You mouth to mouth the kit. Jason, mouth to mouth the kit, Jason. My patient is getting sinus, bro. Give me the BVM. Yeah. Jason, you have to mouth the kit, bro. Okay, once LMA inserted. Charlie, how's the kid, Charlie? Okay. Yes, Charlie. I need the SPO2 if you will. Do I see? Yeah. Do I see chest rise when I? No. So I. I can control his airway with the. I can control his breathing and airway with the LME. Check on him. Charlie, can you hear me? He did not fall. Put him lying down. Yeah, check his airway, breathing. If he's breathing, Jason. If he's breathing, never mind. Yeah. Yes. We have lots of replacement paramedics. Yes. I'm waiting for the Okay. Alright. So I need the intubation kit, bro. Okay.
Thank you. 50 minutes is up. Thank you very much. Come, can I have my teams in front? Come, can I have my teams with me now? Well, you're the first team that came on board, and I can see that you're all very stressed. Come, come, come. My paramedic friends, team 3, come. So how do you guys feel? Are you the team leader?
I'm the team leader. I feel I feel very calm now. Yeah, but however, at least I have a chance to practice my skills and aim for better patient care when I'm on the road. Yeah, give me a chance to up my skills.
That's exactly what we want, to train all our paramedics so that they can rise to a higher level with this kind of high fidelity simulation training. Of course, being on stage has its disadvantages. They will be extremely stressed in front of a big audience, and that really adds to the stress factor. What do you think is happening to the scenario?
The scenario is a family. I think it's a family who accidentally drink poison accidentally by something they mistook as bandung. So it's weed, as in weed in off-white ganja, or weed as in organophosphate. Yeah,
You're not sure. So if you suspect that if it's organophosphate, what should you do?
If this is an organophosphate poisoning case, we would be dead, and yeah, we should have put our PPE and step back and ask for backup.
Would you like to open the door and look through what's behind? Go ahead. Go ahead, go through the door. Go through the door, go through the door. The team, please go through the door. What do you find on the other side of the house?
I find another casualty who is burned.
Okay, thank you very much. Let's have a round of applause for them.